anything juicy in the life comes at the moments when you open yourself. Whatever you call it as juicy, love, life, excitement, energy, including enlightenment. From love to enlightenment, anything rejuvenates you. Anything gives you the feeling the life is worthy, happens to you only when you open up. If you open up to the person who is in front of you, who is next to you, you experience love. If you open up few people in front of you and who are away from you, you experience compassion. If you open up to the whole universe, you experience enlightenment. That's all. Anything great, worth mentioning, happens to you only when you open up. With master or with any idol, any statue, just sit completely open. Even sitting with a statue will transform you. Never think statue is, or opening yourself to a murti, to an idol, to a god, to a statue is ordinary thing. Open up. There is a possibility for every being. It is your birthright. Initiation is your birthright. Diksha, moksha. Initiation liberates. Just simple initiation. When this great truth is being delivered, just completely opening yourself and feeling connected, listening, allowing these words to work on you.